What's up, guys? Today I'm be showing you my deck, which has the giant skeleton. This deck is really cheap and it's really good. So this is my clan. Oh, I got Elite Barbarians. Okay. That is the deck. It's probably cheap because the mirror. Look at that. That's my deck. Really good. So I'll be showing you this play. Okay. So I'll be quiet and just tell you what's been happening. Here it is. Goes with the graveyard. Then minions. Then I push down the spear goblins to take that out. And he pisses the giant down, I think. I mirror the giant skeleton. Then he puts the giant down to distract my giant skeletons. Then he places down minion horde. And then I plus 5 space, but then they went for the giant instead. Like, no boy! But then the bomb killed it. Then I placed the bomber down. And then he places the witch down. The bomber wrecks the witch. Just so you know. And then I place on skeleton army to take down that hog rider. And I just let those minions die. Then I mirror the goblin barrel, which was so good. And I make good. Look at that. That's why the mirror is very good. Placed on spear goblins to take down that graveyard. Take down the skeletons, I mean. And then I forget here. I think I placed I don't know. Oh yeah, here I placed it. I placed it down. Then I mirror the goblin barrel. That's such a beast. Look at that. Look, watch. Boom. Take it down. It's slow, but really good. Then I put on a skeleton army and 5 spirits. And bomber. Look at that. Oh! That was my brother. So, yeah, that's my deck. He didn't even try, but still did good. If he had arrows, he could have taken that down, but yep, that is my deck. Hope you guys like this video. Really short, really short, but yeah, this is my clan. Comment if you want to join. Comment your username too. And yeah, there's Junior. 304 donated. Dang. Wait, is he online? Can you beat me?